This is how your world look like, and the whole map of the world looks like. They're all continents built up together. There are 7 continents in the world. For example, Asia is the largest continent, which includes countries like China, Pakistan, India, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, Afghanistan, Iran, Philippines, and Taiwan. And there are many more countries inside Australia since it's the largest continent. Then you have another continent called Europe. Everyone knows about Europe. It has countries like Great Britain, the UK, France, Spain, Norway, Ireland, and many more. It's North America. North America has United States of America, also known as USA or America, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Jamaica, and more. Then you have, of course, the South America. South American countries include Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Peru, and more like those. Then you have the continent Africa. Yes, Africa is also a continent. It has countries like South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Morocco, even Saudi Arabia is in Africa, Sudan, Algeria, Libya, and many more. It's a huge mix of countries. Then you have the continent called Australia. The continent Australia has obviously Australia in it, New Zealand, Fiji, and a few more. Then you have another continent which is kind of a very tricky one. It's called Antarctica, and there are no countries in it. In actual sense, there are no countries in it because the climate of Antarctica is so low that there are no countries in it. But still, there are a few countries and few nations who claim different part of it, such as New Zealand, Australia, France, Norway, the United Kingdom, Chile, and Argentina. While none of these states have anything physical present till today in the Antarctica. These are all the continents of the world.